Hi, this is Mrs. Priest, and I'm going to show you how to use Create a Graph to graph your data for the egg experiment. This is the activity where we took a raw egg and measured the circumference in centimeters and then put it in different liquids and kept track of our data, and now we're going to graph that data. You'll see that there's tabs on the side here, and I'm on the Design tab right now. On this tab, you'll want to do grid lines of either 5 or 11 for this activity. And then I'm going to go to the Data tab. I've already put in my graph title, my x-axis of liquids, my y-axis of centimeters, circumference in centimeters, and my source is my data. I've put item number as 6 because that's how many different liquids I put my egg in, so you can change it if you had yours in a different amount. I've not put the value in yet, and I'll show you that in a minute. And my default color is green. My minimum value is 0, so that would be in centimeters, and my max value is 20. So your minimum value needs to be below your smallest amount, and your max value needs to be above your highest amount. So now I'm going to go to Preview, and you'll see I don't have any bars here because I haven't put in those values, but I do have all of my liquids listed. Egg isn't a liquid, but that's just before I put it in anything. And then I have my centimeters in circumference listed, and I have my title on my graph. So I'm going to go back to data, and I'm going to put some values in. These are made up values, and my computer remembers because I have put in these pretend values before. Okay, there's a glitch in here, and I can't just go to preview. I have to go back to design. So I'm on the data tab. I'm going to go back to design. I'm going to click horizontal. I'm going to click back to vertical. And then I can go to preview. Just a weird glitch in this. Okay, here I have my gorgeous graph showing that my egg, before I put it in any liquid, was 13 centimeters in circumference, and you can see it went up and then down and up from my data. This is pretend data, but it kind of shows you how to make the graph. So I want to change my green bars to another color. So I can go here to data, and I can go to the bar color, and I can choose a blue. Now, remember again, I can't go straight to preview because that glitch. So I'm going to go back to design. I'm going to go to horizontal and back to vertical and then to preview, and I should have blue lines, blue bars. So that worked. Now there's, I think there's a few ways you can get this graph into your CER, so like your Google Doc. One way is you can go here to print and save. You can email it to yourself. So stick your email in here and email it to yourself. A couple of other ways to do it are just right click and do copy image, and then go to your document and push paste image. You'll also always want to come up here to your address bar and copy this and paste it into your document so you don't have to start over if you need to fix something on your graph. If you don't put this address, you'll have to start at the beginning. So you can push Control C and then go to your document and push Control V. Same here, you can click this Control C, Control V to copy it. I think I've had kids that have just done a drag. Yeah, you can even drag it. So lots of options. I hope your graph turns out just how you want it and you have a lot of fun.